Alright, so I'm in my little shed down here. I got this secondary outlet because of this jankety mess up here. So I've got a plug-in on it that plugs in it's caught up on here. It plugs in up here and to keep me from having to plug things up here at this jankety mess. So I got that where it works, and it's got the little cover on it, but it's got little holes in the bottom to put a second wire. So I'm gonna get I've got this unplugged, and there's no other wires besides this one going into it. And this looks funky, but I just did it to keep the wire nuts from falling off. They're good wire nuts, so it's good. And the polarity, I'm not really worried about. None of the stuff I use is too picky about that. So I'm gonna pull this cover off. I might have the right bit in the drill. Probably not, but I'll pull the bit out of the drill. Yeah, I got my mess of tools over here. Get my flathead. Let's see, is that the right one? Yep. Put that there. I'm using my high-tech camera mount called my chin. Okay, that ain't gonna work. I'll just do it by hand. Wait, I'm on Android. I'll just pause it. Okay, got it. So now, set it to loosen. Once again, it's unplugged. Dang it. This is harder than it looks. I'm probably going to stick Phillips head screws back in it because these flatheads are a pain in the butt. Well, that works. Dang it, still got to pull it the rest of the way off. Okay, maybe. Dang it! Where's the pliers? I'm done with this. There's gonna be people in the comments, that's not the right tool for the job, and you're gonna break the head of the screw off and hurt a dirt, and you're not an electrician. Well, I don't care. I can do what I want. There. So my plan is, basically, you can see it's got the little things for the other wires in there. I'm going to feed 2 wires up through there and hook up to these little auxiliary ones they got on here. So I'm going to do that, and I'm going to pause the video. I'll come back in just a minute. Okay, so basically I just need to break the little thing out with a flathead screwdriver so I can fit the wire through. There's one side. There's the other side. No, this is probably not the right way to do this, but that's how I'm doing it. Alright, so the wire that I'm using is actually kind of thick. It's kind of thick for what I need. But it's what I got laying around. Excuse the messy workbench. But I've got my piece of wire. So I'm gonna feed it up through here. Feed it through there. Feed it a little more. Bring it up through here. Bring it through here. So I'm gonna get that hooked up to the one side of the one side of the outlet, and I'll get back when I get that done. I'm only going to show one side just because I don't want to bore y'all.